Sabrina.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. No hassle.
I have a small spice company based in Clondalkin, and I also work full-time looking after a primary care centre. I'm running not because I'm an immigrant to this country, but just because of the issues that's going on right now, like the housing crisis, which is my main priority that I'm going to be fighting for. Every tenant in the country is facing the same thing as me, so I said, why not? Need someone to go out there, to fight for that. It's nice to be out there talking to people, but you just feel nervous, first timer. It's not obvious. Many people know me in the area, so I never had any problem. They always encourage me, and the reception was very good. Because I'm independent, I'm not part of a big party where they will have more reasons to criticize me or something, because I'm new as well. I think it will encourage more immigrants to join in the local community, and integrate more, participate in activities and everything that is being done on a local level.
In general, as I say, people are very nice at the door. One thing is to be friendly at the door, and the other thing is to go and vote for you as a migrant person. That is completely different scenario, if you know what I mean. I did have some negative cases, but usually what they do is they wait when I get home, and that's where I get an email or I get in Facebook a message or something like that. But it's a minority. I do believe that it's a minority compared to the majority of people. I'm not from this area. I haven't been born here. My family is not from here. But the good and positive thing is people that they are living here, friends, and they have become my family in Ireland. They have been very supportive, and this is actually very beautiful feeling to feel.
One of my friends asking me, if you run in the local body election, you will get a good few votes. Actually, Tala is a very big community in Indian community, but it is Tala Central is more and Tala South is little bit less. Our Malayali community is more than 200 people here. They are also very happy. They are also supporting me, putting the leaflet and canvassing and everything. They are supporting me. Especially in 2009, wherever I am going, I am getting a lot of problems. Especially, they are asking me bloody Pakistani gold from my front garden, and this time I am getting very few. My aim is I have to all together, like Irish, Polish, Indian, and everybody. I like to go all the houses to meet the people. I like to go.